Hey, this is Paul Clement with Guild Mortgage, and I've got a great deal for you. I had to twist his arm a little bit, but he agreed, and that's really wonderful. But you're like, who? What? What are you talking about? Jeff Korn, he's putting on the Comedy Festival. It's coming up in April, and he's got a great business humor speaker called Bert Talipski coming in. And you know him, you already know him because he's at the bottom of every eye chart, as he points it out. I mean, it's all like, okay, really? This guy's funny, he's good, and he's going to entertain you for an hour time about business humor. And here's the great thing, you could learn something in here that might help you connect better with a client and then sell a house. How cool is that? You get to go to a closing. Hey, that's awesome, and it's really, really easy. It's also a great deal, okay? 2 tickets, count them, 2 tickets, only $10. How can you go wrong with that? I mean, come on, are you serious? You don't want to take advantage of that? 2 tickets for $10? If you don't get them, I've only got 20 of these, by the way. I have a limited supply, so once they're gone, they're gone. So you want to act quick. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me. You have to come through me, though, because he specifically marked these, and these are the only ones that are available for 2 for 10. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to pay $7 a piece. That's $14. That's a $4 savings. You're like, oh, that's no big deal. Oh, yeah, it is. Yes, it is. I'm always looking out for your bottom line, helping you save some money, and this is a great way to do it. All right. Check out down below. There's some other savings down there. Check those out and save you some money. This is all this is about, is helping you to help clients. All right? So, it's 1 hour. It's in April. It's going to be a blast. 2 tickets, $10. Come on. This is Paul Clement with Guild Mortgage. Look forward to seeing you at the Comedy Festival and on the web.